me fixing everything, and because there is always something to be fixed. Today broken it is this two-wheel tractor, and the main problem is that when you squeeze the clutch, nothing is happening. So as you can see, if you have such a problem that it doesn't move, this is the gear, this is the engine, this is the gearbox side, and this is the pulley. When the clutch is engaging, this is the clutch, it's just a normal roller, this should spin, but when it's in gear, let's say that's a -1 reverse, you should not be able to spin. So there is something broken inside. What we're gonna do is take, there is two pins, one here and one there. We'll take them off. I'll take the fenders off. I'll take the mud off, and I will restart the video so you can see how we can get to the gearbox. Okay, it's a bit dark now, but both fenders are removed and the sides are removed. So one here and one over there, two screws with nuts on the back, two bolts right here and one on the side, and both mudguards are just pulling out. Now that's the gearbox reductor. What they need to happen is, this is the frame that is holding everything. So what I'm gonna do is just remove this bolt, this bolt, this bolt. There is bolt on the other side as well, and this should remove everything with the handle. I'll remove the handle as well. I'm not sure if the handle is not the top of everything, so just check. Do you know what? I'll just remove everything from the top here, from the bolts, like over there, and we'll see for the next one. You can see now that this thing is in reverse now, and when I move it, the bottom one is not moving, and the bottom one is completely stuck, so something is broken on the inside. By the way, the model number is 500-B3A. I have to keep going. Moving top of the bolts, and this detail is sitting like so, so it's holding the metal bit, the guard of the belt, and this one is holding here, and there is bolt on this side, on this side as well, that it's holding, and the belt is underneath it. Just if you're watching to see how everything is set together. Moved all the 4 screws, 1, 2, 3, 4. Then remove. Sorry for the cough. This bolt here are removed. Removed on this side, and now we have the main shaft on the gearbox right there. We have the main shaft going right there, and we have one security screw that's holding everything back together, back everything together. It's not holding everything back together, it's holding everything. So what I'm gonna do now, I'll just remove this one from here. I don't know if you're able to see it. Okay, just taking a little bit of time. I don't have a tripod with me. Okay, I lost this one. Now I'll remove it from here, and I will show you again. The thing is holding it back in place now. You can see the gearbox from over there. I'll just lean everything to one side. I removed it, and this thing is attached to the spring right there, and it's being held by a metal plate which fell down in there. So I'll just put everything to be relatively secured, and we'll continue dismantling this part here. Okay, I'm not gonna take everything apart. I will show you now why. There is no visual cracks and damage to the outside, and I think the problem is very obvious. We have the main torque coming from this pulley to this pulley, then this pulley is moving this part here. How the movement is being transferred from this side to this side when there is no space for shaft is via chain, but the chain you can't see because it's not here. Usually it's supposed to be right there, but it isn't, and that's why this thing is blocked here, because all of the chain is actually in this side of the gearbox. Everything just crushed and went in there. What I'm gonna do now, I'll take a magnet. My magnet is right here, and I'll just, there is plenty of debris, so I don't want to put it, but I will just plunge the magnet in there. I'll hook up the chain and I'll pull it out, and I'll try to squeeze it with pliers and just pull it all out. I can't make a video of it, but just trust me, that's what I'm gonna do, and I'll show you the result. After like 25 minutes of catching, that's how we managed to pull it out. So now I'll just pull the chain out like so, and that's the whole length, I think. So you can see where the chain snapped into, and I'll just buy another chain, and we'll continue on the videos changing the chain.